The AO Smith XCR-50 ProMax Plus high-efficiency gas water heater. This model is another great gas water heater. One of its standout features is the blue diamond glass coating, which is a universal industry standard glass lining. This cutting-edge coating technology safeguards the lining from corrosion, which can often reduce the lifespan of the gas heaters. Furthermore, this heater features the Dynaclean diffuser dip tube that helps in lowering the amount of sediment and lime buildup that often occurs with the passage of time. This leads to a reduction or blockage in the water heater outflow from the gas water heater unit. Additionally, the AO Smith XCR-50 ProMax is specially engineered for PEX cross-linked polymer that's long-lasting. Consequently, the heater supplies you with more heated water at each outlet. This makes it ideal for large families that require maximum heated water. The heater's internal microprocessor provides advanced operating parameters and accurate differentials for improved sensing and a quicker heating response. Moreover, this gas water heater fulfills all current NAECA or National Appliance Energy Conservation Act regulations. Here's some pros. 1. Water heater is cost-effective and highly efficient. 2. Enhanced technology systems. 3. Easy to install. And how about some cons? The initial cost is considerably high owing to its premium features.